Hey, this is Adam with Heavy Metal Automotive. I'm going to show you this 2015 Chevrolet Silverado 3500 we have for sale. It's a two-wheel drive Duramax diesel crew cab. It's got a 9-foot service bed, Liberator 4,000-pound crane, power windows, locks, mirrors, tilt, cruise, CD player. Pretty loaded up for a work truck. $124,000 miles. I don't know if I said that or not. American Eagle toolboxes. Got another here that's missing a drawer. You got several on the other side. BF Goodrich tires on the back. They're pretty decent shape. They still got some life in them. Work bumper. Got a Gardner Denver air compressor over here with twin reels on it. More toolboxes. More toolboxes. This is a Southern truck, come out of Texas, so it doesn't have any rust. We sold a truck just like this about 2 weeks ago, except it had 157,000 miles on it. $124 on this one. Air blows cold. Ranch hand front bumper. Engine runs great. Go back here and work the crane. Just gonna show you the basic functions on this thing. Phone's acting crazy here. There we go. Down. Side to side. Winch down. Extension out, extension in. Winch up, boom down. Air compressor runs and builds air like it should. Alright, if you're interested in this truck, give us a call, 256-310-6852. Our website's heavymetalauto.com. You can go in there and check out a bunch of pictures of it. If you're looking at this truck out of state and you want to have it shipped, we can ship it straight to your door. We ship them in and out all the time. A truck like this figures somewhere around $1.25 a mile. Depends on exactly where you're located. Could be less, could be more. I guess that's about it on this truck. Give us a call. Thanks for watching.